Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great video. So it's been a while me not do no video, guys. As you guys can see, like I've been so sick for like about 3 weeks now. So let's get back up to regular schedule where I start put out about the work now. So it's just because I was just a little bit sick. All of the person I said to me, so Caribbean Vibes, what's going on, you know, but at the end of the day, you know, my health come first. So today I do one curry coconut fish with bami. So I'm gonna get the fish them clean up from now. You know, and big up to my cameraman. Respect for the hard work where you put out behind the scene, make the great videos them and make everything possible. You know, and thanks guys for the support, thanks for the prayers, you know what I mean? Cause like there was a time where I was so sick, but like a lot of person call, check up on me, pray for me and stuff, and I really appreciate the prayers, you know. So thanks again guys, but we're still there. We have to keep on putting in the work. Using some vinegar just to help reduce the rawness of the fish. So I'm just gonna dry them off and then just season them up with some fish season and leave them to marinate. Just I use some fish season. Just season them up. People, I say respect for the 1,000 subscribers. Really appreciate, you know. So back on track when it come on to videos, putting in the work, growing the platform to the level of being successful. You can see real coconut, authentic. And so I go ox out the coconut and grate it. Coconut water sweet, man. So I am currently oxing out the coconut. Adding some clean water. Ox out the coconut and wash off it. The next step is to grate it, extract the juice. So I'm trying to finish up the video as soon as possible because you know we're in the hurricane season and the rain starts really earlier daytime, and I'm gonna try to finish up because I don't really want to get wet up again in the rain, you know, and then because I'm not even fully recover yet guys, but you know it's very fear that me try to keep on putting on the work and maintain the YouTube platform, because you know consistency is the key when it come on to being a YouTuber. Like it's the first, like I actually see my platform like over 3 weeks. I not post no video or create no content, so I have to just get back into the field of being a YouTuber. stirring up the coconut. Still afraid of the grater, people, cause I tell you, so the grater really sharp. It's not something that I want to play with. Females always a complain to me when I'm doing the live on the TikTok platform, like so they don't like to use grater because they always cutting up themselves. But it's all about using the grater the correct way. It's all about being patient when using the grater. It's all about just taking your time using the grater. So I'm gonna use just this small portion of water. I don't really want too much water into it because I want to get the richness of the coconut milk. Cleaning up the vegetables. We just add them in the container with the clean water. So I'm using some Irish potato, carrots, sweet pepper, thyme, garlic, onion, green pepper, and some okra. Just cleaning them up. Add them in the water. Using a small onion. The garlic. I'm cutting up the vegetables. Just julienne it, Irish potato along with the carrots. So I'm preparing everything. So when I catch up the fire, just basically just finish up the vlog and everything before the weather comes. So I'm prepping everything from now. Finish cut up everything now. Catch up the fire and then kick off the vlog, guys. I'm sauteing the garlic. Adding the curry. So I'm just burning the curry. Add a little bit of the shard in the wine. I just make it burn out a little bit. Burn out some of the alcohol. I'm gonna add some of the coconut milk. Some pimento seed. So I'm gonna cover it and let it cook down a little bit before I add the fish in it. So I'm checking on the coconut curry. So I'm just making it cook down a little bit. Make the coconut cook before adding in the fish. You need a little bit of pepper, a little bit of spice. I'm just going to add the green pepper in it. It's looking really rich already. Looking good. So you can taste the coconut, you can taste the curry, you can taste the white wine in a hit already, which is the Chardonnay. So I'm gonna add in the fish now. Add in the fish. Let's add some of the liquid, which is the juice over there. Add some onion. So the last thing I'm gonna add, which is the bell pepper and the okra. So I'm adding in the thyme. Checking on the fish. So I'm adding the scallion and the bell pepper. Guys, I hear the pig them want milk. Now adding the okra. Cutting up the bami. Yes, dear man. Just add in the pot. Looking good, so I'm just flipping the bun. Now I'll add just a little bit of butter in order to help to enhance the flavor. So I add a little piece of butter. Looking good. Let's try bami and see how it work out to me. good. I'm checking on the pot and it's coming on pretty good, coming on really good. So the vegetable cook, the bami, everything ready. Look at it, it's good. Trust me, like right now I can't wait for it take it off. Like right now I want to eat one of the okra, but it's hot. So I have to wait till I share out my Sunday dinner. I mean, I know say I saw we are kick it today. Coconut curry fish with bami. So the pot done. Take off it. Put it right there so we can go and finish simmer down. Yeah man. Guys, as I said earlier on in the vlog, like it's been a while like I not do no content based off of the fact where I wasn't feeling good, but I'm back when it come on to giving you guys YouTube videos, when it come on to give you guys great content. And thanks for the 1,000 subscriber and for the person who has support Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog from day one. Really appreciate the love. Thanks for being a part of my YouTube journey. Thanks for being a part of my YouTube channel.